Residents of Jere local government in Borno now have access to effective healthcare service delivery at their doorsteps. This is as a result of donation of 2 mobile clinics and 100,000 face masks to contain community transmission of the novel coronavirus by the member representing them at the federal constituency. TVC News correspondent Jere LGA reports.
The federal and state governments have made a lot of efforts to contain the spread of the coronavirus with varying levels of successes. Community transmission of the virus in some states have compounded the matter. With a large landmass of over 22,000 square meters and its population of about 4.5 million people, Borno State is among states where containing the spread may prove difficult if it gets to the community transmission stage. The large number of internally displaced persons in camps across the state makes the situation more worrying. But the state government has put various measures in place in readiness of containing a serious outbreak. Isolation centers have been set up and there have been fumigation of public places where people are likely to pick up the virus. The state also resorted to a total lockdown of its territory. It also stationed several hand-washing points at various camps to maintain good hygiene. That has not stopped the spread of the virus, and the state has 223 positive cases, out of whom 18 have been discharged and 21 deaths have been recorded so far. Well-spirited Nigerians are complimenting the efforts of the state government. This member representing Jere Federal Constituency, Satomi Ahmed, donated 2 mobile clinics fully kitted with oxygen, 1 ambulance, as well as 100,000 face masks and sanitizers. About 300 volunteers comprising health workers from the constituency were also trained on how best to sensitize residents of the 6 wards in Jere on safety rules against the virus.
Even within the metropolis, people fail to understand this COVID is real, and there is need for an awareness to the local community. So that's why we have to make it in a different form, different format.
The Borno state government believes that this will go a long way towards informing people about the virus.
If we have such type of intervention from our representative, I think the government need to do only a small portion of it. So this is a commendable move.
The state deputy governor also donated 2 million naira to assist with the sensitization program in addition to 1,000 face masks. Many states in the country are at community transmission stage, and Borno may have been worse off were it not for measures taken by federal and state government and contributions of well-spirited individuals in the society. Jere LGA, TVC News, Maiduguri.